How to fix iPhone mirroring is not working on your Mac computer. So if you're trying to mirror your iPhone over to your Mac and it's not connecting, then I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve this issue. So the first thing we're going to do is just head over to your iPhone like so, and then just go and load up your iPhone settings. Now from the settings page, turn on airplane mode. You'll then need to wait 10 seconds and then try disabling the airplane mode. Once you've done this, you can scroll down to General and click on this. Scroll down to VPN and Device Management and make sure you're not connected to any VPNs. So as you can see here, it should say not connected like so. You can then head back over to the main settings page. We're then going to click on Wi-Fi and make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on. You'll also need to come back over to the previous window, select Bluetooth, and also make sure Bluetooth is turned on as well. Now once you've done this, you can come back over to the previous window, scroll down and click on General, scroll down and select AirPlay and Continuity, and if you have the option here for iPhone mirroring, go and click on this. And if you've previously connected your device, you'll need to go and delete it from this list. Now once your device has been deleted, we can go and head over to our Mac computer. Now from the Mac, we first need to make sure that the Mac and the iPhone are connected to the same Apple account. So if you click on your Apple logo and press System Settings, click on your profile name, and here you'll see your Apple account. Now you need to make sure this is the same Apple account that you're signed into on your iPhone as well. You can then scroll down on the left hand side and click on General, scroll down to Language and Region, click on the drop down next to Region, click on Americas, and you can try changing your region to the US. Now once you've done this, click on the search box at the top of the page and type in iPhone mirroring and go and open up the app. Once the app's open, you can go through the steps to try reconnecting to your iPhone, and that should have solved the issue where iPhone mirroring is not working.